Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you a simple exercise in Fusion 360 like this part, and let's go to start it. This is the dimension of the part. First step, we sketch this side with length 63mm, height 75mm, and width 75mm. Go to Fusion 360. Click Create Sketch. Click this plane. Activate line. Click this point. Make 63mm. After that, go to vertical. Make 75mm. Go to horizontal. Make 63mm again. Go down. Make 20mm. Point right the line, make 38mm. Point down, make 35mm. Point left, make 38mm. Point down and click this point. Push E in keyboard for activate extrude tool. Choose direction, symmetric, with distance 75mm. Choose wall length. OK. See, the part is making. Click Create Sketch. Click this plane. Activate line. Click this point and point right the line with length 28mm. Point up the line with length 64mm. And after that, click to this point and this point. Make this line vertical. Sorry, not like this. This point connect with this edge. Sorry, activate line. Click this point to this point. Delete this line and trim this line. Push E. Sorry. Activate line again. Click this point to this point. Push E again. Make direction symmetric. With distance 21mm. Measure wall length. Click OK. What the Sorry, right click this feature and click edit feature. Make operation join. OK. See, the part is made in. And now we make this part with radius 32mm. Click Create Sketch. Click this face. Activate circle. Make diameter of circle is 64mm. Activate line. Click this point to this point. And this circle to this point. Click this point to this point. Make circle and line tangent. And this line horizontal activate sketch dimension. Click this edge and this circle make 108 mm. Activate circle. Click this point. Make diameter of circle is 25 mm. Activate trim and cut this line. This line and this line. After that, activate extrude. Click this face and this face. Make distance 19 mm. Okay. Activate mirror. Choose feature for type. Click this object. Click this plane for mirror plane. OK. See, the part is ready. Now I want to change the color. Right click this body and click Appearance. Right click this and click Edit. Choose yellow color. Done. See, the exercise is finished. You can try this exercise in your home to improve your skill. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.